What in the world is this? So you took a Lambo and you put a diesel in it.
Well, yes, we did. We have a TV show called Texas Metals Loud and Lifted. You can watch the whole process of it. But, to sum it up, found a car in a junkyard. It was cut up. I didn't, I'm a big car enthusiast. I didn't want to take a nice one and cut it up. So we found one that was already done, built it to, what I envisioned several years ago. And this is it, if I could pull that vision and that rendering, if you will, out of my head, that's that car,
Wow. Because the fit and finish on it is amazing. But there must have been a lot of work going on to get that Cummins in there.
Man, we had some of the best in the world on this project with us,
Wow.
and I have the best team there is. And, going into this, we only had 2.5 months to build this car. So what you see from what it was.
Wait. Okay, 2.5 months, not 2.5 years.
2.5 months.
2.5 months.
2.5 months.
And you did it.
And we did it. We did it. We pulled it off.